So the idea initially spawned when myself and Phoebe had come up with wanting a way of gamifying Storyland. So we want to have people play Storyland, learn Storyland, and we thought a great way to do that was actually make it a game which people can be interested in, and it would be a continuous project. So we did originally have an idea similar to Doom. Back on the older generation of consoles, where it was kind of like a 3D maze of sorts, and you'd navigate through using arrow keys. We scrapped that in the idea for a click and point adventure, which was really easy to make compared in Storyland.